So, welcome. Our first elementary lesson, very difficult. This was looking back at work we did last term with these words, in, at and on. And they were all about time, because last term we looked at what time do you get up, what do you do at the weekend, when do you go to work, and things like that. So we were looking at this in the morning, in the afternoon and in the evening. Yeah, what time do you have breakfast in the evening? And you could say, I have breakfast at 6 o'clock in the evening. What do you do at the weekend? Well, at the weekend, I go shopping. So just try to remember these three different prepositions and how they are used. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at home, because we were saying about do you have a big lunch at home? What do you do at home? But the really important ones were at night, at the weekend, and at times. At 5 o'clock, I go out. At 8 o'clock, I go to work. Things like that. And on, we use for the days of the week. On Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So do you work on Monday? Do you work at the weekend? Do you work at night? Do you work at home? Or do you go to work? So this is what we did last term. And I've set you the work from the red book, Essential Grammar in Use, units 103 to 113. So it's important that you start looking at these little words. And it's even more important because over here, we learned some new words. And some of those words were words like also on and in, just like over here, but also words like next to, under, behind, and in front of. So, for example, we were saying that the pen is on the mug, the pen is in the mug, the pen is next to the mug, the pen is under the mug, it is behind the mug, it is in front of the mug. And over here, we started working on some sentences. Some work from last term, that we did last term, which was this one, what is this, or what is that, or what is it? It is a pencil sharpener, it is a paper clip. And one of you said, when do we use an, which is a great question. We use it if it is one thing, and the first letter is a vowel, A, E, I, O, or U. So it is an apple, it is an umbrella, it is an egg, it is an ice cream, it is an orange. So remember, this whole bit here is all for one thing only. One thing. And remember, if the word begins with a vowel, A, E, I, O, or U, then we say an. And then we went a little bit deeper than last term. We said, where is the pen? The pen is on the table. So we can say the pen is on the table. Or it is on the table. Notice how with this little word here, what is it? It is. Where is it? It is. It is a very important construction for things, especially when we're talking about one thing. But then, of course, we went back to last term. We looked at what are these? They are pens. Or we could say, what are those if they're over there? Or just, what are they in general? And remember, they are. So today, really, we were looking at it is and they are. Singular for one, they are for plurals. And then, of course, we expanded it more. Where are they? Or where are the pens? And then we could start using the plural. They are in the mug. They are under the mug, behind the mug. So it's all about lots and lots of different prepositions, and then singular and plural. Things we did last term, and then starting to look at new things. So we looked at a new question, which is where. Lots to learn. Now, oh yes. So I advise a lot of you to buy this book if you want to work more at home as well. So remember, don't get this book unless you really want to do extra work. And I think this is great. It's one of my favourite books. And I've pointed to some units here. All the prepositions units for this and for this stuff over here, Pavel, and for more things that we will learn this term are units 103 to 113. Lots of units